Now, kailangan natin sila na lumapit sa atin and magsabi sa atin kung ano ang problema so that we know where to help. And ang kapares noon is, I told them as well, for the child to understand that I am being abused. I am exploited. I am a victim of violence. Because a child will not know na it is wrong. If you are 4 years old, 3 years old, 5 years old, and then you don't know of anything else except ginugulpi ka, akala mo tama yan. So dapat, sabi ko, sa CPU natin, we have modules in the classrooms that teach the child to recognize what is violence, what is abuse, what is exploitation, so that when the child sees it or ginawa sa kanya, alam niya na, oh, that is wrong. So I have to call. I have to report myself. I have to report what is happening to my friend. Or I have to report what I saw. Because, for example, in sexual abuse, hindi na alam ng mga bata na what is wrong touching and what is right touching. Kasi karamihan ng Filipino families, we do not talk about anong term na tama doon? We don't talk about sex in the family. We don't talk about sex to our children. We don't talk about reproductive health to our children. So kung ang bata, hindi niya alam na this is wrong touching, akala ng bata tama, dagdagan pa ng impluensya ng abuser with threats and sometimes machinations ng mind ng bata, hindi na, later na lang, when the child grows old, then she or he will realize, oh, it happened to me and it was wrong. So, ganun yung na-share ko sa Child Protection Unit.